There was a time in India when songs like Mile Sur Mera Tumhara didn't just play on TV, they played in people's hearts.
मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा.
It wasn't about who ruled the country, it was about Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. Iruvarin Suramum Namadahum. If our tunes blend, so will our souls. Cut to 2025. The new national anthem is Modi. From celebrating India, we have started celebrating the man who has been celebrating himself since 2014. You know, Bollywood isn't new to this game. Back in history, there were musicians, poets, dancers who performed in the courts of kings, singing praises of whoever sat on the throne. Kings changed, the songs changed, but the dance never stopped. From Mughal courts to Man Ki Baat, artists have always danced for kings. Whoever had the throne got the thumka. Whoever had the crown got the chorus. The louder your loyalty, the longer your career. The quieter your conscience, the quicker your promotion. History just changed the costume from Ghungat to Gucci, from Mehfil to media room, from ghazals of grace to jingles of jingoism.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh.
सच तो यह है सर कि 75 साल की उम्र में जो आप पेस है, एनर्जी है, वो हम जैसे जवान लोगों को भी पीछे छोड़ देती है।
हमारे देश के विकास के लिए जो आपने योगदान दिए हैं वो हमेशा याद किए जाएंगे।
आप यूं ही स्वस्थ और खुश रहें और हमें हमेशा इंस्पायर करते रहें।
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh.
Back then, it was Mughal Azam. Now, it is Modi Azam. अजीम शान प्रधानमंत्री फरमा रवा हमेशा हमेशा सलामत रहे तेरा हो क्या बयां तू शान हिंदुस्तान. Same drama, same devotion, only difference is earlier rulers gave gold coins. Today they get brand deals. Keep the king happy. Keep the contracts coming. You don't need to love your country. Just tweet the right tweet. Or just sing Modi. You don't have to serve the nation. Just serve the narrative. From Bharat Mata ki Jai to Bharat Matlab Modi. The patriotism has been privatized. Cinema doesn't make you feel, it makes you kneel. Because the hero isn't saving India anymore, he's saving Modi's image and legacy. Nationalism is the new item number. Every movie trailer now begins the same way, based on true events. True events as approved by the PMO. I am not blaming the stars here. पता नहीं क्या मजबूरी हो. Because when the ED becomes your film critic and your brand deals depend on your bhajans, you start lip syncing to survival. Once upon a time, we had Amar, Akbar, Anthony. A Hindu, a Muslim, a Christian. Three brothers separated by fate, united by love. Now we have Abhijit, Abhinav, Abhishek. Three brothers united by hate, separated from reality. When fear funds your film, truth doesn't make the final cut. Once films made you think, now they just make you thank the Pradhan Mantri. Once the censor board cut out kisses, now it cuts out questions. Once we had Guru Dutt showing tragedy, now we have PR Dutt showing strategy. Earlier, they released films on Eid, Diwali, and Christmas. Now they release them on election season. Earlier, it was
मोगेम्बो खुश हुआ
now it is Modi ji khush hue. Once the tune said Mele sur mera tumhara, if our voices meet, we are one. Now it says, if you disagree, you are done.
खत्म गया
Back then, filmmakers made Swades. Now they make Godse. The same industry that once sang, मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, now mines that very soil for TRPs and ticket sales. Once unity was our anthem, now uniformity is. Once we sang together, now we shout over each other. Once we were Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, now we are just Sanghi, Pakistani, Khalistani, rise back convert. The sur broke, the harmony cracked. Every debate, every headline, every stage turned into who you pray, what you eat, whom you marry, what you post. Every rally, every mic, every camera now hums the same poisonous pitch. Earlier, we had differences. Now we have divisions. Once upon a time, our surs were different, but our song was one. A nation where A.R. Rahman's wasn't a loyalty test, where ये जो देश है तेरा स्वदेश है तेरा didn't ask for proof of your passport, just proof of your heart. When Chak De India wasn't about proving your patriotism, but about proving that unity wins. Where फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी was a confession of chaos and compassion. A salute to an India that argues, disagrees, debates, but still beats with one heart. Where
एक ओंकार सतनाम
could play back to back and nobody saw contradiction, only connection, because the divine was one. We just called it by different names. When Dil Diya Hai Jaan Bhi Denge wasn't about proving who is patriotic, but about loving a land that is messy, mad, and magnificently ours. Every bhajan, every qawwali, every lullaby once hummed the same hope that beyond caste, beyond creed, we were still one people. A time when news anchors still reported news, not nationalism.
Responding to yesterday's sharp message by the President where he seemed to tell the government not to review the Constitution, Mr. Jethmalani, the Law Minister, today said that the government will set up a committee to do so soon.
When journalists face power, not bowed before it.
योगी आदित्यनाथ ऐसे अनपढ़ व्यक्ति हैं. Somebody should tell Yogi Adityanath to get, his mental balance checked.
When every opinion didn't need a label. Urban Nexel, Tukde Gang, Deshdrohi, Toolkit Gang, Khan Mafia, Secular Gang, Anti-Hindu, Anti-National, Pseudo-Liberal, Jihadi Gang, when the word Bhakt meant devotee, not blind follower. When patriotism smelled of wet soil, not of election ink. When Azan and Aarti rose together with a morning light. And nobody called it noise. People actually argued about cricket scores, not about who should go to Pakistan. Stadiums echoed with Sachin, Sachin, not Modi, Modi. People didn't wear the faith like armor or the politics like identity. They were neighbor first, not narratives. Festivals were shared, foods were exchanged, jokes were cracked, hands were held. I don't miss old India because it was great. I miss it because it was good. Good at heart. Good at being human. Good at being India. Because it made space for all of us to be who we were. It had forgiveness. It had pulse. Maybe if we listen closely enough, we can still hear her heartbeat. Faint but fighting. Waiting for us to remember that we were once one. And perhaps we can be again. मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा. Maybe it is time we start singing that song again. This is Brown Enlightenment, where we don't chant names, we echo a nation. Jai Hind.
वो सुबह कभी तो आएगी, वो सुबह कभी तो आएगी। इन काली सदियों के सर से जब रात का आंचल ढल के